Érase una vez, en un little tiny pueblito, un ratoncito muy veloz y muy enamorado al que llamaban Speedy González. Esta es su historia y lo que pasó cuando su novia Rosita se fue. Y dice más o menos así.
Ya veo venir Speedy González como un pequeño ciclón. Ha tomado muchos tragos porque Rosita lo dejó. Él nunca le teme a nada, pero esta vez sí lloró. Es la muchacha que le gusta, la dueña de su corazón. Speedy González al rancho llegó. Speedy González estas palabras mencionó.
Rosita, tanto bajado de comer frijoles y tortillas con chile.
Ella corrió a la ventana y entonces lo consoló. Le dijo que lo adoraba y Speedy se desmayó. Hasta que lo despertaron y le pudieron decir si con Rosita se casaba. Corriendo él se fue de ahí. Speedy González al rancho llegó. Speedy González estas palabras mencionó.
Rosita, can't wait now that the cantinas they giving leche y chila.
Speedy González al rancho llegó. Speedy González estas palabras mencionó.
Rosita, tanto bajado de comer frijoles y tortillas con chile.
Like a petty good, you know.
They say Taylor was a good girl, never one to be late, complain, express ideas in her brain. Working on the night shift, passing out the tickets, you're gonna have to pay her if you wanna park here. Well, mommy's little dancer is quite a little secret, working on the streets now, never gonna keep it. Quite an imposition, and now she's only wishing that she would have listened to the words they said. Poor Taylor, she just wanders around, unaffected by the winter winds, yeah. And she'll pretend that, well, she's somewhere else, so far and clear, about 2,000 miles from here. We'll beat a Patrick, pitter patters on the window, but sunny silhouette won't let him in. And poor old Pete's got nothing 'cause he's been falling, and somehow Sonny knows just where he's been. on Sunday gonna save his soul. Now that Saturday's gone, and sometimes he thinks that he's on his way, but I can see that his brake lights are on, and he just wanders around, unaffected by the winter winds, yeah. And he'll pretend that, well, he's somewhere else, so far and clear, about 2,000 miles from here. Such a tough enchilada, fill up one nada, giving what you gotta give to get a dollar bill. Used to be a limber chick, and times have been a tick, and now she's finger licking to the man with the money in his pocket, flying in his rocket, only stopping by on his way to a better world. If Taylor finds a better world, Taylor's gonna run away.
Here I am, where I've been. I walked 100 miles in tobacco skin. My clothes are worn and gritty, and I know ugliness. Now show me something pretty. I was a dumb punk kid with nothing to lose and too much weight for walking shoes. I could have died from being boring, and as for loneliness, she greets me every morning. But the most of the glare on the open side is hardly there. On the open side, it's always busted. I'm the friend you need, but can't be trusted. At the most of a glare.